inequalities. There's only one thing you need to be careful. For example, the question is 2x plus 4 is equals to 6. Let's say that's 10. So 2x is equals to 10 minus 4. 2x is equal to 6. X is equals to 6 by 2. X is equal to 3. I'm going to repeat all those steps with sign of inequality. 2x plus 4 is less than 10. 2x is less than 10 minus 4. 2x is less than 6. X is less than 6 by 2. So x is less than 3. It doesn't matter if we have sign less than or less than equal to or greater than equal to. The only important thing is now what we are going to do now is 4 minus 2x is less than 10. So minus 2x is less than 10 minus 4. Minus 2x is less than 6. Now I'm going to divide with negative sign. Whenever we do that, the sign reverses. So x is greater than minus 3. One would object that why is it reversing? So if we do not go for division and we just compare them, 4 minus 2x is less than 10. I'm taking that 2x on the other side, I'm not dividing it. 4 minus 10 is less than 2x, sign changes. The greater inequality sign is still same. Minus 6 is less than 2x. I'm going to divide with positive 2. So minus 6 over positive 2, the sign is not changing. So see, this says this is minus 3, this is 0. It says x is greater than minus 3. And this was still 0 and minus 3. So the answers are exactly same. The only thing which you need to keep in mind is when multiplying across the inequality with a negative sign, the signs would reverse. And representing on a number line, when we have less than, hollow circle is used, greater than, hollow is used, greater than, equal to, filled circle is used, less than equal to, filled circle is used. For example, we have x is greater than 3. Only 3 is enough, but we all sometimes add 0 for reference. So greater than 3 would look like this. 4 by 3, this is 0, this is 4 by 3. And it says greater than and equal to, so it should be a filled circle. Mm.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Try the first inequality. You won't need to write it. Just answer it directly.
13
Correct. X is greater than 13. Second,
minus 1. Minus 1 is
x is less than minus 1.
yeah, x is and for the third one it will be um, 12 is greater than x.
Okay. Mm, all these are single inequalities. Try number 15.
X is less than 1.
And Ali, what are you getting?
So I'm getting three.
Shabash, Haris.
Yes, I'm getting same answer. X is 8 given.
Okay. Okay, so do try few of these questions. Two or three would be enough. Or else, just go for 18.5. There is a practice of inequality along with the number line. And we did not discuss these where there are two inequalities. Let's just do that quickly. If I look at question number 12, what is the common mistake? Students would write it like this. That is wrong. Okay. This is one complete inequality. And then this is the other complete inequality between the two signs. So I would write minus 5 is less than equal to x minus 3 and solve this. 3 goes on the other side. So 3 minus 5 is less than equal to x, minus 2 is less than equal to x. That's one side. The other side is x minus 3 less than equal to 2. 3 goes on the other side is 2 plus 3. X is less than equal to 5. So on a number line, it starts from minus 2 and it ends at 5. X is greater than and equal to, so a filled circle. X is less than and equal to a filled circle again. So that is the number line. You may find different representations. This is the least requirement. You may find it like this as well. Or sometimes 0 is also mentioned and other values are also mentioned that are not required. So go for 8.5. No need to waste time on 8.4. And tomorrow we will do this exercise and new chapter, both. Anything you would like to ask?
No, sir.
No, sir.
How solve 8.5 as well in 8.5b. Did you get time to do any questions?
Yes, sir.
How many questions were you able to do?
Sir, I only did a few.
Any confusion? Should I select few more?
Yes, sir. So you can give one more. Or
There's a lag. Are you there?
yes, sir.
Okay, let's just try a few and then we'll jump on to 8.5c. Solve each inequality and show the result on a number line. Let's just select those with double inequalities. 1, 9. 7 into x plus 2 is less than 3x plus 4. So 7x, 7 2 times is 14, less than 3x plus 4. Rearranging on one side, 7x minus 3x is less than 4 minus 14. 7 minus 3 is 4x is less than minus 10. X is less than minus 10 by 4. And I'm getting exact answer in decimals, so I'm writing that. So that's 2.5. And in number line, 0 is for my reference. This is minus 2.5. And it is only less than, so hollow circle. X is less than 2.5. I'm going for number 20. Two inequalities in one line. 1 is less than 2x plus 1 is less than 9. We'll solve them individually. 1 is less than 2x plus 1 and 2x plus 1 is less than 9. So rearranging 1 minus 1 is less than 2x, 0 less than 2x, 0 is less than x first, and the second one is 2x is less than 9 minus 1, 2x is less than 8, x is less than 8 by 2, x is less than 4. So it starts from 0, goes up to 4. 0 is not included, hollow circle. 4 is not included, hollow circle. And it should be exactly above 4 and 0. Try number 26. Let me know when you started.
Yes, Ram. Okay. Round. Sir, I'm getting 3 is equal to x and 7.
Less than x.
Is it?
And on the other side, what are you getting?
7.
Okay. So this is how the number line should look like. Starting from 3, ending till 7. 3 is not included. It is less than 7 and 7 is included. So that's a filled circle. Hollow and filled. Okay. Now let's see what we have in 8.5. Find the solutions subject to the given condition. So these are all again inequalities. 3a plus 1 is less than 20. So if we solve for a, 1 goes on the other side, that's 19. So a is less than 19 by 3. Now 1 goes on the other side, 6 plus 1 is 7. So b is greater than and equal to. So, oh, there's more to it. Let me solve it here. Exercise 8.5c. Question number 1. 3a plus 1 is less than 20. So 3a is less than 19. A is less than 19 by 3. We know 3 6 times is 18. So this is basically 6 point something. Less than 3 6 times 18, 119. So if I just draw it on a number line, this is 6 whole 1 by 3 and a is less than that. Now there's a condition. It is positive integer. So a could be anything less than 6, 0.33. So if I just write a is equal to 6, that is enough because that's positive and is an integer and within the given domain. Anyone could write like you could write 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All are acceptable. If he would have written write all the numbers, we would write all. But one number for now is enough. Question 2 says b minus 1 is greater than equal to 6. So b is greater than equal to 7. Now it says b is prime number less than 20. Now it is more than 7. B is more than 7. Number line is not required. That is just for understanding. So more than and equal to 7 and less than 20, prime number. So 7 itself is prime, which is justified by the inequality and lies and is less than 20. If someone else writes like 11, that is again acceptable. 13, 19, all are prime and are within the given domain. Getting the point?
Yes, sir.
Question 3. 2e minus 3 is less than 21. 2e is less than 21 plus 3 is 24. E is less than 12. It says E is positive even number. So any number which is positive and even. What would you choose? Depending on this condition. Positive, even,
Positive and even. 6.
yeah, positive, even, and less than 12.
6.
That's 6. Question number 4. 1 is less than z, z is less than 50. And it says z is a square number. So any square number between these two.
5.
5 is not a square number.
Oh, right. I mean, square number.
Like after squaring the number should be a square number. 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16. So any square number. 6 square is 36. 7 square is 49. 8
16.
square is 64. So this is out. And 1 is not acceptable because that z is greater than 1. So any number out of these 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, writing 36. Any square number. Is the confusion clear? Which are the square numbers?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Number 5. 0 is less than 3x is less than 40. And it says x is divisible by 5. First, let's solve it. Now I can see this is pretty much easy. If I divide all of these by 3, don't have to do it separately. So that would be 40 by 3. 40 by 3 is, I'm checking it, that's 13 1 by 3. 13 whole 1 by 3. So x is less than 13.33 and more than 0. And what is the other condition? It says it must be divisible by 5. So between 0 and 13, what is the number which is divisible by 5?
0 and 13, which is divisible by 5.
Yep.
Uh, 5. I mean,
This is 0. This is 13.33. Any number between them, which is a multiple of 5. It could be 5,
10.
10.
10, yeah. 5 and 10.
Yeah. So any number, any one. Sometimes the examiner would say write all the possible numbers, then we'll write 5 and 10 both. For now, 1 is enough. 2x is greater than minus 10. So x is greater than minus 5. Says x is a negative integer. So any number greater than minus 5. What could be x?
What would be x? 4.
What did you say?
4. No.
Yeah, minus 4 is correct. Number line would help in think. If this is minus 5, 0 again for reference, and it is greater than minus 5. So now we can think straight. This must be minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1. So the condition is number should obey this inequality and should be negative. So I'm writing minus 4. There are other options. This is one of those. Try question number 7.
Okay, sir.
Start it and I'll just follow. Because today Ali is not joining. So we'll have to confirm answers from each other. We must have done till now. 1 is less than x. On the other side, we have 2x less than x plus.
Sir, I have been teaching
This is 1. This is
two,
30. More than 1, less than
yes,
30. So
yes,
any integer between these.
2, 3, 4,
That's
5.
right. Very good. 2, 3, or 4, anything up. Question number 8. X square less than x. X is a positive square number. So if we just square root both sides,
Yes,
so x should be less than 10. Is already made. What would be that? This is 10. It is less than 10, but it is more than 0 because that's positive. So any square number within this range is
sir, 2, 4, 4, 2, 4, and 9.
that is right other than 2.
Yeah,
We
4
can
and
write 1,
9.
4, 9.
Okay,
Any number out of these. Okay. This is the last exercise. Question number 9. 0 less than equal to 2z minus 3 is less than equal to z plus 8. So 0 is less than equal to 2z minus 3. 3 goes on the other side, less than equal to 2z. When we divide, I get 1.5 is less than equal to 2. That was exact answer, or else we would prefer fractions. 2z minus 3 is less than equal to z plus 8. Z goes on the other side, single z. 8 comes on this side, 8, 9, 10, 11. So it is equal to and more than 1.5, and it is less than and equal to 11. Prime number between these two. We have different options of prime numbers between these two numbers.
yes, Sir,
Any prime number, Aris.
second 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 internet. This one I can't.
See, now we have to stay between 1.5 and 11, and the condition is that it should be a prime number.
Okay.
So we have prime number between this given range. 2 is prime, 3 is prime, 5 is prime, 7 is prime within these two.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Number 10. A by 2 plus 10 is greater than A. So 10 is less than A minus A by 2. 10 is greater than A by 2. 2 goes multiplies on the other side and A is less than 20. This is 0 for reference. This is 20 and A is less than 20, not included. And it says A is positive even number. Any number positive and less than 20 and even. Aris, why are you thinking so much? Less than 20, positive and
Sir,
even.
sir, it is 2, 4, and 6, 8, 10.
That's right, any number. So let's say 10.
Okay.
11th. State the smallest integer n for which 4n is greater than 19. So n is greater than 19 by 4. Now what would be n? Read the statement and tell me the value for n.
So, and uh, 5, no,
Correct. You were confused? This is basically 4 point something.
yes,
4 time is 16, 4 5 time is 20. So this is 4 point something. And if
7,
I
5.
print it as mixed number, 4.75, yes. So more than 4 is 5. Smallest number, more than 4, and smallest is 5. Number 12 says find an integer value of x such that, so 2x minus 7 is less than 8, and on the other side 8 is less than 3x minus 11. 2x is less than 8 plus 7, 2x is less than 15, x is less than 7.5. 11 comes on this side, that's 19 less than 3x, and 19 by 3 is greater than x. So 1 is 7.5, and we know that 3 6 times is 18. I would just write 6 whole 1 by 3. So this is 6 whole 1 by 3. So more than 6 and less than 7.5. What is the number? Integer number between these two.
Integer number, let's write 6. Any 6? No, no, let's write 6. Integer number 7, 7, yeah. 7.
Correct. Try 13.
Okay, five. 5. I'm getting 5.
Okay. I'll just quickly check it. 3y is less than 12, 31 to 16, y is less than 16 by 3. On the other side, 12 plus 5 is 17 is less than 4y. 17 by 4 is less than y, so y is more than 17 by 4. 16 by 3 is 5.3 something, and 17 by 4 is 4.25. So more than 4.25 and less than 5.3. Integer value between these two is 5, yes. Number 14. Find any value of z such that 9 is less than z plus 5 is less than 10. Again, this is an easy inequality. I'm just subtracting 5 from all of these. So 9 minus 5 is 4. This is only z then, and this is 5. So find any value of z such that this. So there's no restriction that it should be an integer or anything. So between 4 and 5, any value, let's say 4.3. 15. 9 is less than 2p plus 1 is less than 11. The way you feel comfortable, do it that way. I'm doing it direct again. I'm subtracting 1 from all of these. This is 8 less than 2p less than 10. Now I'm dividing by 2. This is 4 less than p less than 5. So again, any value between 4 and 5, let's say 4.2. Question number 16. Find the simplest fraction q such that, so 4 by 9 is less than q is less than 5 by 9. So any number between these. Suggest any number.
One. No, doesn't matter. Any
Should
number.
be between these two.
Mhm. Okay.
The first one is all 0.4444. The second one is all
Yes.
0.5.
So it will be like what simple fraction like 0.50.
0.50, yes. So we can write that as
1/2.
5 by 10 and 1 by 2. Perfect. Just for sake of discussion, if I write 0.46, will that be acceptable?
Yes, 23 or
See, is it
50.
between
So
these two? 46
yeah.
by 100, 23 by 50.
Um,
Okay. Number 17. A minus 3 is less than equal to 11 is less than equal to 2a plus 10. Okay. A minus 3 is less than equal to 11. So a is less than equal to 11 plus 3, 14. On the other side, 11 is less than equal to 2a plus 10. 10 comes over here. This is 1 less than equal to 2a. 1 by 2 is less than equal to a. So basically, a is greater than equal to 1 by 2 and a is less than equal to 14, and these are included. Then it says find the integer value of this such that, so any integer value. It is not 1 by 2, it could be 1, 2, 3, all the way up to 14.
mm.
Any one value. Whatever the requirement of question will be, we'll just fulfill that. No extra workings. Okay, 3z is less than 66, z is less than 22. So largest prime number, z is equals to,
uh, 21,
21 is not prime,
19.
19, correct. Okay, find the largest prime number p such that p square is less than 4. So p square is less than 400, taking square root on both sides. So p is, now he's also talking about largest, so definitely we're not going for negative numbers. So square root 4 is 2 and 2 zeros 1 remains. So less than 20, any prime number, and largest.
Less than 20. 19 again.
That's right. Question number 20. Try this.
Fine. So I'm getting 17. 70.
Let me see. Okay, let's try it in reverse. This was n less than square root 300 is less than n plus 1. So if you're getting 17, square root 300 should be in between these two. So I'm trying square root 300 and I'm getting 7.3. That is correct.
Okay.
The word problems are here. Let's try this. A youth club organizer is planning a day trip for the club members. The cost of the trip is $330. I'm just extracting the data. $330, and the club has already saved $75. The price of the ticket for the trip is X dollars, and there are 21 people going on the trip. So if the price is X, it should cost 21X. Now write down an inequality in terms of X to determine the price of each ticket if the cost of the trip is to be completely funded. Write down an inequality in terms of X to determine the price of each ticket. The price of ticket for the trip is, wait a minute, that's clearly a number. A youth club organizer is planning a day trip for the club members. The cost of the trip is $330. Okay, $330. So basically, this should be less than equal to $330. The cost of the trip is $330, and that the cost per head is X, and there are 21 members. So this should be the inequality. Write down the inequality in terms of X to determine the price of each ticket. If the cost of the ticket is completely funded, then it says what is the minimum ticket price that the youth club organizer must charge. And the club has already saved $75. What do you say? How will you do this?
I think it would be, we're gonna minus 330 with 75, I think.
He has already saved $75.
So we, because
So I would say that if he is just charging it, not
so we're
saving
gonna
it,
minus it, I think so, because he's already saved. So the cost is 330.
so there are
Or
21 members and X numbers, and if they are not getting any payback, it should be 330 plus 75.
um, but so this will increase the goal.
So I guess he should charge 330 plus 75 is 405 over 21. 19.2.
19.28. Yeah.
So he should charge $20 per head.